Hi everyone, today I came to visit one studio called Vanita Sanitary where this is an exclusive wholesale price studio of sanitary hardware. This comes in a street called Hospital Road which comes in Bengaluru, India. It comes nearby Maharaja Complex, so his Google Maps is also there in description below. You can see his Google Maps, you can reach him. So I'm just showing, I'm standing in front of his studio. This straight line, there'll be a complex called Maharaja Complex and Pothys. So right in front of Pothys, when you come straight here, his outlet will be a Vanita Sanitary Ware. His Google Maps is there in description below. You can see that and you can come here and just check the studio. All latest basin, sanitary ware, hardware, everything you'll get. Very popular outlet. This is amazing collections of all these things you'll get over here. You can just have a look. So number is on video screen. You want to know any more detail, you want to purchase their products, you can WhatsApp, video call them. They'll send you all the detail. And right opposite to this, you can just see they have one more outlet here. This is a stock area where you have more collections of the basins, commode. If you want something like gold like this, full gold, this all are the collections. You can just have a look. Again, showers. These also showers. And right now I'm going to show you one by one everything. You can just see here. These all are the collections of the basin. Very nice collections of basin. Price you can WhatsApp them. I cannot tell since his business gets affected. That's the reason. Just see this basin, so nice collection. Just see these designs with golden tap. This one very fancy. Just see all trending, very modern type of this basin is there. You can just see the tap also. Wow, this is amazing. Colors also you can get. You can WhatsApp them and just see this also. Very nice collections of basins. Almost he's having more than 100-200 varieties of basins. And you're getting for wholesale price. And just see this silver one. Wow, looks absolutely amazing. Golden one. Lot of varieties of basins are there. A lot of people they purchase from here. And just see the collection. And here are more varieties of the basin. You can just see. If you want something like small for house, for cafe, for restaurant. If you want regular basin, regular also you'll get. If you want for your villa. If you want in bulk also you'll get over here. If you want 100 piece, 200 piece, 300 piece, that also you'll get. These are some premium basins. You can just have a look. These all are premium varieties. Just see these designs, colors. Wow, very nice designs. Very few places you will get like this. This is one of those places. And just see this also. This collections of basin, red color, very fashionable. Bronze, golden, gold. If you like gold. If you like something like this also here you can just check. They are open 7 days a week. All the details is there in description below. This is also basin. Lot of varieties. You can just have a look. And these are the taps. And this is a kitchen sink. If you're looking for kitchen sink, this also will get. These are the taps. In taps also you will get lot of varieties. In taps also you will get lot of varieties. Fancy taps, regular taps. All latest trending you will get. If you want something digital door locks like this you will get. These are again taps. You can just have a look. Beautiful collections of taps you will get here. And after this, if you want to see this all are, again I'll just show you one more latest. Just see this is a kitchen sink. Latest one with vegetable cutters. With latest technology you will get all these things. Like this it comes. Just have a look. So all latest products you will get. And if you want something lengthy basin, like these kind of basins, for hotels, for restaurants, for cafe, for PG, all these kinds of basins also you'll get. And very basic, reasonable price you'll get compared to other places. Very reasonable price. Just have a look. Beautiful collections of basin and just see this also. Wow, amazing collections. And these are also some gold collection. You can just see. And these are commodes. So if you're looking for this also will get different colors. You can just see white is here, black is there. And these are bathroom accessories. If you want bathroom accessories, A to Z bathroom accessories you will get over here. You can just have a look. And these are the mirrors. So if you want mirrors also, you will get regular mirrors, digital mirrors. You can just see there. These all are digital mirrors. Oval shape, round shape, square shape. Very nice, very fashionable like this all. If you want for commercial purpose, for your house, you can come here and select. Very nice collections. You will get dispensers. You can just have a look. Bathroom accessories A to Z. And just see this basin. Wow, gold. Looks very nice. I personally liked it. gold tap, looks absolutely amazing. Again, this all are the hardwares. You can just have a look. If you want all these hardwares, these kind of things you will get here. Different colors. Lot of varieties are there in this also. And this also all hardwares like this also you'll get. And this is a premium shower. You can just see this is a premium kind of showers. In this also you'll get two colors. One is here and one more must be some golden color. This is a premium one with all the features will be here. You can just see. Looks absolutely amazing. And then again this is hardware, door locks, door handle you'll get, not door locks, door handle. This is also there. And apart from this, you can just have a look. This again for bathroom accessories. All these things are for bathroom accessories. Golden color, white. Lot of varieties are there. Very nice collection. I loved it here. Like definitely you should come. If you come here, you will not go empty hand. And these are the collections of the showers. You can just see with the taps. So if you want something colorful taps, showers, very fancy, but wholesale price, all latest trending products you will get here. Just see the collections of the showers. Very nice, amazing collections, beautiful collections. This all is. Just see taps, 3 taps you will get, 2 taps you will get. Like this showers, single tap, double, different designs. Like this showers also you will get. So amazing collection. And just see this also. Very nice collections. And apart from this, these are also the collections of the basin. Just have a look, more collections of the basin. So number is on video screen. You are getting for wholesale price. Any more detail, you can directly WhatsApp them or video call them and they'll send you all details. And this all are the mirrors. If you just want regular mirrors also you'll get over here. You can just have a look. Like this regular mirrors also you'll get. And again, this all are the collections of basins. So very popular place for sanitary ware, for basins. And these kind of hardware also you'll get. You can just have a look. These kind of hardware also you'll get over here. So if you want this also you'll get over here. So before wind up, I just want to tell that this studio is having awesome collections of basins and sanitary ware and hardware. We'll highly recommend you people also come to the studio. I'm sure you'll love the collections. I'll meet you in another new happening shopping destination. Till then, have a great time.